Hello. Oh, it's bright over there. Sunshine. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Matt, this is Twix T4, and today we are going to be carrying on with the T4 restoration project. However, I say it's a restoration project, but it's more of just some welding and a paint job. And today we are at the paint stage. So if you want to see all of the work that's been done, there will be links down below to the playlist of all the videos that I have uploaded so far on this T4. And we've done a lot of work on this T4 so far. But yeah, today is paint day. So let's show you what's going on. Craig painted that a couple of days ago. The last clip you saw was from a couple of days ago. But now we are in the process of fitting up. Craig's already cracked on. He's been, well, he stayed on 3 hours already this evening, a couple of hours yesterday, a couple of hours, he's been doing loads of hours. So it's pretty much all ready to go. A couple of little things left to do. Bonnets to go on. We've got some wings to go on. Yeah, let's go have a look. Because I am buzzing, mate. I am buzzing. This is so good. All right, let's turn you around. You can see what I can see, because that. Oh, there you go. It is looking good. So we've also got new rubbers as well. Got new rubbers, all from Heritage. So new seals. Got window fitters coming out soon, so we're also having a heated window fitted, heated windscreen. So if you want to see how that's done, check us out, subscribe, because we will be saving that and we'll be filming that for another video at a later date, because we're going to get JVS, Matt Jordan, to come do the wiring for us. So he's going to wire it all in. All I've got to worry about doing is getting the windscreen fitted and installed. So we're going to have elite windscreens come do that for us. Hopefully next week. Yeah, doors are on, locks are on. Well, Craig's pretty much done everything. When you ask what I've done, well, I'll put these brackets on. Put the handbrake plastic cover on. Put the gear lever gaiter on. That's about it. Craig's done everything else he's done, mate. He's fitted everything up. Unbelievable. 2 doors, the seat, barn doors, everything in the time it's taken me just to put a couple of bits on. I don't know how he does it. Fair play. Where would we be without you, eh, Craig?
Yeah, mate.
Exactly that. Thank you very much. Yeah, like I say, just the bonnet and the wings to go on. All right, I'll say that, he's already got one of the wings on. No messing. No, it's good. I've also had to put on a new wiper motor, so I've done that just a minute ago. So, yeah, we're getting there. Slowly. Right. With the front end now coming together, you can see the freshly fitted bonnet with the new catches, the heat mats in place. We've also installed the plastic for the intercooler, the rubber trim around the pollen filter, we fitted that. Also gone ahead and fitted the washer jets and the plastic grille along the top of the bonnet there. Finally, the front grille was aligned. Perfect finish, I'm loving that. and that's ensuring you know, a nice smooth and professional finish, because we all like that. But the bumpers, they will be restored at a later date, so stick around because we'll be doing a video on restoring the plastic trims. After completing the initial stage of paint in the body shop, we've moved the van to the front workshop. While this first coat isn't the final finish, it's going to allow us to address other projects in the workshop while ensuring we can come back to perfect every detail later in the year. Craig is currently applying some white stone chip to the inside of the arches. He's also applying it to the outer lip and the outer lip of the lower seal, front arches, outer lip, all those little sections. Meanwhile, the middle section underneath the van has been coated in some black stone chip, all this for added protection. This approach may not be the most orthodox, but it will ensure that we do get a top-notch result in the end. As we wrap up the first stage of the bodywork, our trusted partners from Elite Mobile Windscreens are fitting the new windows. Their expertise ensures everything is perfectly sealed and aligned. So far we've invested around £4,800 in the purchase of this van and all the materials needed to get it to this stage. And on top of that, there's been 328.5 hours of labour, but that doesn't factor into the cost. That is just the time and effort that's gone into bringing this van back to love. It certainly has been a labour of love. And that wraps up this phase of the van's transformation. With the exterior looking sharp and the interior ready for the next steps, we're getting closer to the final vision. Up next, I'll be heading to Cali Campers for a few final touches, and we'll explore some exciting upgrades like a pop top and more comfortable front seats, all while keeping that classic OEM look. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next update. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.